Planning a group trip is like weaving a tapestry of personalities, interests, and logistics into one cohesive adventure. It begins with a spark of excitement, a shared idea among friends, family, or colleagues that it's time to break free from the routine and create memories together. From that moment, the process of turning a simple idea into a fully fledged journey begins. Every successful group trip starts with clarity. Someone steps forward as the unofficial leader, a guide to navigate the sea of decisions that lie ahead. This person, or sometimes a small committee, takes on the responsibility of steering the group in the right direction, mediating debates, and ensuring every voice is heard. Early on, the group gathers to discuss the heart of the trip, its purpose. Is it a reunion to rekindle old bonds, an adventure to explore new frontiers, or a well-deserved escape to unwind and relax? The answer shapes every decision to come. Money becomes the first topic of real discussion, as budgets have the power to make or break group harmony. Transparency is crucial, so everyone shares their financial comfort zones. This ensures the destination, activities, and accommodations align with what each person can afford. It's a delicate balance of ambition and practicality, but one that sets the stage for a trip everyone can enjoy. With the foundation laid, the group turns its attention to the exciting task of choosing a destination. Ideas pour in, each reflecting someone's dream. The golden beaches of a tropical paradise, the rugged mountains calling to adventurers, or the cobbled streets of a historic city. The process of narrowing these choices is both thrilling and challenging. Votes are cast, debates unfold, and eventually, the group rallies around a destination that promises something for everyone. Alongside this decision, the dates for the trip are carefully chosen, often requiring compromise to accommodate everyone's schedules. Once the destination and timing are set, the work of crafting an itinerary begins. Research becomes the group's lifeline, as they scour travel blogs, guidebooks, and reviews to uncover must-see attractions and hidden gems. The goal is to create a balanced, thrilling adventures for the bold, serene moments for those seeking peace, and plenty of opportunities for spontaneous exploration. Activities are penciled in with an understanding that no plan is ever set in stone, and the best memories often come from unexpected detours. Accommodation, a home away from home, is next on the agenda. The group deliberates between cozy vacation rentals, lively hostels, or polished hotels. Proximity to attractions and the layout of the space are considered carefully, ensuring there's room for shared moments and quiet retreats. Transportation, too, becomes a puzzle to solve. Whether it's flights for long journeys or rented vans for road trips, every detail is planned to ensure the group travels together smoothly. The practicalities of the trip are handled with care. A system for splitting costs is put in place to avoid misunderstandings. Apps become indispensable tools, tracking every shared expense down to the last penny. Some groups decide to create a shared fund for common needs, appointing one person to manage it and keep the records transparent. Communication tools, like group chats or shared documents, become the backbone of coordination, ensuring everyone stays informed and involved. As the departure date approaches, anticipation builds. Packing lists are exchanged, reservations are double-checked, and the group begins to envision the experiences awaiting them. When the day finally arrives, the trip transforms from an abstract plan into a living reality. Together, the group navigates new places, tastes unfamiliar foods, and captures countless moments in photos and laughter. Throughout the journey, the dynamics of the group ebb and flow. There are moments of unity as everyone gathers for a shared meal or marvels at a breathtaking view. At times, individuals peel off for some solitude or to pursue personal interests. The rhythm of the trip is a delicate dance between togetherness and independence, ensuring everyone feels both connected and free. Inevitably, challenges arise. A delayed flight, a missed reservation, or differing opinions on what to do next can test the group's patience. Yet, these hurdles are met with the understanding that flexibility and compromise are the keys to maintaining harmony. Even disagreements, when handled with care, become stories to laugh about later. By the time the trip ends, the group carries home more than souvenirs. they return with a wealth of shared experiences, stories to retell at gatherings, inside jokes that resurface unexpectedly, and bonds strengthened by the adventure. As they part ways, the group reflects on what worked well and what could be improved, planting the seeds for future travels together. In the end, a group trip is more than just a journey to a new destination. It's an exercise in collaboration, patience, and shared joy. It's a reminder that the best moments in life are often those spent with others, exploring the world and creating memories that last a lifetime. Thanks for tuning into our guide on planning the perfect group trip. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your travel crew. Let us know in the comments about your favorite group trip experiences or any tips we might have missed. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more travel inspiration and planning guides. Until next time, happy travels!